Nestled in the heart of Europe, Liechtenstein is a place of wonder. Don't let its size fool you. This small nation is bursting with charm. Get ready to discover hidden gems. Unforgettable experiences await. Come, explore Liechtenstein with me. Liechtenstein is a principality. It's tucked between Switzerland and Austria. The towering Alps define its landscape. Despite its diminutive size, Liechtenstein offers big adventures. From medieval castles to scenic hiking trails, there's something for everyone. Let's uncover the magic of this hidden gem together. Liechtenstein's beauty is captivating. The Rhine River flows through its western border. Vineyards grace the slopes. Quaint villages dot the countryside. The air is fresh, the pace of life is relaxed. Liechtenstein is the perfect escape from the ordinary. It's a place to reconnect with nature and yourself. Vaduz is the capital of Liechtenstein. It's a charming town with a fairy tale ambiance. Stroll through the pedestrian-friendly streets. Admire the colorful buildings adorned with frescoes. You'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Visit the Vaduz Cathedral. This neo-Gothic masterpiece is a sight to behold. Step inside and admire its intricate stained glass windows. The atmosphere is serene and awe-inspiring. Take a moment for reflection and soak in the beauty. The Red House is another architectural gem. This historic building stands out with its bright red facade. It's a reminder of Liechtenstein's rich past. Today it houses a government building. Take a photo and appreciate its unique charm. Don't miss the Liechtenstein Center. It's a great place to learn about the country's history and culture. Watch a short film about Liechtenstein. Browse the exhibits showcasing local art and crafts. Pick up some souvenirs to remember your visit. Art lovers rejoice. Liechtenstein is home to an impressive art collection. The Kunstmuseum Liechtenstein is a must-visit. It houses modern and contemporary art. You'll find works by renowned artists. The museum's architecture is a work of art itself. The black cube-shaped building stands out against the backdrop of the Alps. Step inside and be greeted by spacious galleries. Natural light illuminates the artworks beautifully. Take your time to explore the diverse collection. The museum features paintings, sculptures, and installations. You'll find works by Liechtenstein artists and international masters. It's a feast for the eyes and a journey through art history. The Kunstmuseum also hosts temporary exhibitions. Check their website for current and upcoming shows. You might discover emerging artists or delve into specific themes. Allow yourself to be surprised and inspired by the power of art. Perched high above the town of Balzers, Gutenberg Castle is a sight to behold. This medieval fortress dates back to the 13th century. It stands as a testament to Liechtenstein's rich history. A visit here is like taking a step back in time. As you climb the winding path to the castle, enjoy breathtaking views. The Rhine Valley stretches out before you. Vineyards and villages dot the landscape. The air is fresh, and the scenery is simply stunning. Take a moment to soak it all in. Once inside the castle walls, explore the courtyard and chapel. Imagine the lives of the knights and nobles who once resided here. The castle has been lovingly restored. It offers a glimpse into Liechtenstein's medieval past. Gutenberg Castle is often used for cultural events. Check the schedule to see if any concerts or performances coincide with your visit. Experiencing a concert in this historic setting would be truly magical. Section 5, Serenity and Views at Neuschloss. Neuschloss is another hidden gem in Liechtenstein. This privately owned castle is not open to the public, but you can still admire its beauty from afar. It's a beautiful sight that will take your breath away. Nestled in the hills above Balzers, Neuschloss is surrounded by vineyards. The castle's white facade gleams in the sunlight. Its towers reach towards the sky. It's a fairy tale setting that will capture your imagination. Take a leisurely walk or bike ride through the vineyards. Enjoy the fresh air and the scent of grapes. As you admire Neuschloss from a distance, let your mind wander. Imagine the stories these ancient walls could tell. Neuschloss is a reminder of Liechtenstein's noble past. It's a place of serenity and beauty. Even though you can't go inside, it's worth a visit just to admire its splendor from afar. Section 6, Hiking Trails with Majestic Vistas. For outdoor enthusiasts, Liechtenstein is a paradise. The country is crisscrossed with hiking trails. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hiker, there's a trail for you. Lace up your boots and get ready for breathtaking views. One of the most popular hikes is the Prince's Way. This scenic trail takes you along the Escapade Ridge. Enjoy panoramic views of the Rhine Valley, Switzerland and Austria. Along the way, you'll pass through forests, meadows and charming villages. For a more challenging hike, try the Three Sisters Trail. This demanding route takes you to the summits of 3 peaks. From the top, you'll be rewarded with stunning 360-degree views of Liechtenstein and the surrounding mountains. No matter which trail you choose, be sure to pack plenty of water and snacks. Wear comfortable hiking shoes and dress in layers. The weather in the mountains can change quickly. Be prepared for all conditions. Section 7. Culinary delights in the Alps. After a day of exploring, treat your taste buds to Liechtenstein's culinary delights. The country's cuisine is a blend of Austrian, Swiss, and German influences. You'll find hearty dishes and sweet treats that will satisfy your cravings. One local specialty is Käseknöpfle. This cheesy pasta dish is similar to macaroni and cheese. It's made with fresh spätzle noodles, grated cheese, and fried onions. It's the ultimate comfort food. For a taste of the Alps, try Rösti. This Swiss potato dish is made with grated potatoes fried until crispy. It's often served with bacon, cheese, or a fried egg. It's a hearty and delicious meal. Don't leave Liechtenstein without trying the local wines. The country's vineyards produce a variety of red and white wines. Visit a local winery for a tasting. Learn about the winemaking process and savor the flavors of Liechtenstein. Section 8. The charm of Schaan and Triesenberg. While Vaduz is the capital, don't miss the opportunity to explore other charming towns. Schaan and Triesenberg offer a glimpse into Liechtenstein's local life and culture. Schaan is Liechtenstein's largest municipality. It's home to the Domus Center, a fascinating museum dedicated to history and technology. Explore interactive exhibits and learn about Liechtenstein's industrial heritage. Triesenberg is a picturesque village perched high above the Rhine Valley. This municipality is known for its unique Walser culture. The Walser people migrated to Liechtenstein from Switzerland in the 13th century. They maintain their own distinct dialect and traditions. Visit the Walser Museum in Triesenberg to learn more about their fascinating history and culture. Admire traditional costumes and artifacts. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the Walser people. Section 9. Immerse yourself in local culture. To truly experience Liechtenstein, immerse yourself in the local culture. Attend a traditional festival or event. Interact with the friendly locals. Embrace the slower pace of life. One of the biggest events in Liechtenstein is the National Day celebration on August 15th. Join the festivities in Vaduz. Enjoy live music, traditional dances, and delicious food. It's a chance to witness Liechtenstein's patriotic spirit. If you're interested in music, check the schedule for concerts at the Vaduz Music Festival. This annual event features classical music performances by renowned artists. The setting is intimate and the acoustics are superb. Liechtensteiners are proud of their country and heritage. Don't hesitate to strike up conversations with locals. Ask them for recommendations. You'll be greeted with warmth and hospitality. Section 10. Plan your Liechtenstein escapade. Planning your trip to Liechtenstein is easy. The country is well connected by public transportation. You can fly into Zurich Airport in Switzerland and take a train or bus to Liechtenstein. The best time to visit Liechtenstein is during the shoulder seasons, spring or fall. The weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. If you're a winter sports enthusiast, consider visiting during the winter months for skiing and snowboarding. Liechtenstein uses the Swiss franc as its currency. Credit cards are widely accepted. However, it's always a good idea to have some cash on hand. Accommodation options range from cozy guest houses to luxurious hotels. Liechtenstein is a small country, but it offers big adventures. Plan your trip today and discover the hidden gems of this enchanting destination. Section 11. Uncover more hidden gems. Liechtenstein is just the beginning. Europe is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Follow me for more travel tips and inspiration. Let's explore the world together, one adventure at a time. From charming villages to breathtaking landscapes, there's something for everyone. Step off the beaten path, embrace the unexpected, create unforgettable memories. The world is your oyster. Start planning your next adventure today. Follow me for more travel inspiration, tips, and hidden gems. Let's explore the beauty of our planet.